How to buy one egg token. Now this token came under the symbol of egg. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, make sure to check the Telegram channel too. So this token, it's available on the screener. It's created 1 hour ago and increased by 28,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mere investment in a safe place. Now to be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Copy the token as you can see. Now open your funds made for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in white. Now click here and paste the token. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. And here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter. There is only one. Now make sure to read all of that information here and click on stop, and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face the issue, go back to this page and switch the slip pouch from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slip pouch. And after that, you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy egg token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.